everyone, I am Dr. Nikita Patel and I am a consultant dermatologist at Clear Skin Clinic in Thane. So today I am going to talk to you about how to take care of dry scalp and dry hair. Now first off is, why do you have dry scalp? It can be because of genetics, that is overall your skin is dry and hence your scalp is dry. It can be because of wrong kind of hair care practices, the wrong kind of diet which is deficient in vitamins and nutrition. It can be because of excessive use of air conditioners, chlorinated water or pollution. It can also be because of certain skin diseases like dermatitis, psoriasis or eczemas. Now, what do you do if you have dry scalp and hair? First off is to pick up the right kind of shampoo for you. Now, a shampoo for dry hair is ideal. These shampoos will have words such as more nourishing, hydrating, more moisturizing. They will have ingredients such as coconut oil, argan oil, macadamia nut oil, hydrolyzed keratin, hydrolyzed protein, omega-3 fatty acids, peptides. So all these, they nourish your hair as they are washing out and cleaning your hair. Avoid shampoos that contain sulfates, fragrances, if they contain alcohols. Alcohol is quite often a content in the gels and serums and other hair care products, mousses. Alcohol is known to dry your scalp and hair. Also, when you're using a shampoo, dilute the shampoo before you use it, so you use a less quantity of shampoo. Do not overwash your hair. Overwashing will further add to the dryness and irritation. After you're done with the shampoo, make sure to condition your hair. You can go for a silicone-free conditioner. Silicone is a good product. It helps to reduce the frizziness and it gives a shine. However, it's a thick product and it is difficult to wash out with a gentle shampoo. So you can switch to a non-silicone based conditioner. Massaging. So scalp massages, they also help to the circular motion of your fingers on your scalp. It helps to stimulate your natural oils and helps to reduce the dryness. It also stimulates blood circulation, which will add to the nourishment to your hair. Avoid using a lot of heating product, your hair dryers. They will further add to the dryness of your scalp. You can include more of zinc, omega-3 fatty acid, vitamin A, vitamin B6, B12, selenium in your diet. These help to improve the wear and tear and they help to nourish the cells of your scalp. Include enough water in your diet. Patients with a dry and sensitive scalp should be gentle when they are combing their hair. So you can use wide tooth comb and soft bristles when you're combing, so as to prevent excessive physical trauma that will cause more irritation.